Hey there, beauties! Today, we're diving into the world of glamour with the Wowagoga sparkling rhinestone heart-shaped handheld mirror. If you're looking to add a touch of elegance to your vanity, this might just be the perfect addition. Crafted from a blend of rhinestone and glass materials, this mirror not only promises durability, but also brings a sparkle to your beauty routine. Let's talk design. The heart-shaped silhouette adds a dash of romance to your space, and with options like glitter pink or glitter white, you can pick the one that suits your style. Plus, the addition of a handle makes it incredibly convenient for on-the-go touch-ups or simply adorning your dressing table. But it's not just about looks. This mirror is functional too. Measuring at a compact 6.5 by 4.3 inches, it's the ideal size for both practical use and decorative display. Whether you're perfecting your makeup or adding a charming accent to your room, this mirror has got you covered. Now, let's talk versatility. It's not just a makeup mirror, it's a statement piece. Use it to elevate your vanity game, or let it shine as a standalone decor item in your bedroom. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about gifting. Looking for a thoughtful present for a friend or family member? Look no further. This heart-shaped mirror is both cute and practical, making it a delightful gift for any occasion. Just a quick note of caution: mirrors can be fragile, so handle with care and keep away from little ones to avoid any accidents. Overall, the Wowagoga sparkling rhinestone heart-shaped handheld mirror is a charming addition to any beauty enthusiast's collection. With its blend of style, functionality, and versatility, it's sure to steal your heart. So why wait? Add a little sparkle to your life with this fabulous mirror today. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.